Mm. Mm. Refreshing, man, refreshing. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Hey guys, what's up, what's up, what's up, wagwan? What's up? I'm on the outside, so if you hear any noise that I'm always telling you, if you hear, just know that I'm on the outside. So yeah, man, sun is bright and hot and nice, and we are getting a lot of breeze, cool breeze, boy. Peeps, me not telling you no lie, down at Jamaica, you're hot, hot. You talk about hot? Oh God, man, the heat, man. Anyways, I'm going to do some pork shoulder chops. So yeah, I already go ahead and wash and clean up my pork shoulder. So I'm just going to pat dry them, dash some season on them. Fire not catch yet though, but fire going catch. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to roast these over some wood fire. You know, I need the smoke to infuse up the taste and all of that. So yeah, man, wood fire I going to roast it pan, yeah. So I dash on some season right about now, yeah. Alright guys, so I'm going to put some virgin olive oil on my pork before I dash on the season. I'm just putting some olive oil both sides. Yeah. Alrighty, then we're gonna go ahead now and dash on some season. So I have some onion powder here that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna just dash a little bit of that, and you see the breeze is blowing. Whoa, look at that, blowing away my season. Windy. The time is windy, and you know I can't leave out my cayenne pepper, so I'm gonna throw some on that as well, in with my garlic powder, and you know that I gonna blow it as well, yeah. All right, and then I'm dashing in a little paprika too. Yeah, we need some of that as well. And then I'm going to dash some salt all over that. And then you know I'm going to dash on little of my favorite seasoning, and we're going to give that a good rubber dub both back and front. We want to season both sides. I want that to season properly. Yeah. Alright, so you know I'm going to dash and next pan it now, guys. Some blended season. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're going to stash on a little of our blended season as I mentioned before. And this is pimento, scallion, garlic, cloves, ginger, onion, all of that, scotch bonnet, you know, or scotch bonnet pepper, all of those earthly seasoning. Yup. So I'm going to just turn over to the other side because we want both sides to be seasoned and seasoned properly. And we're going to leave this to marinate, you know. I have to leave this with the season soaking, so that when we are biting at this, it's juicy and nice. Yeah, man, I eat that. So I just pat it on, you know. Alright. We're going to leave this to marinate for a couple of hours, yeah. I eat that ketchup back when I start to roast it, alright. Alright, now peeps, now that our fire has light, I'm going to just go some bins and stash on my grill pan it, yeah. And wait till that really hot. Yeah man, when that really hot now, then I'm going to just stash on me pork shoulder chops on it. Yeah man, so I eat that backyard settings right here, so we're there in the Saturday. Yeah man, we're going to roast up some pork chops shoulder. Alright, catch you back in a few. Alright peeps, now that our grill is really hot, firing hot, I'm gonna just toss on my meat right on it. So we are going to smoke this. Yeah, so stay tuned for the finishing of this, you know, the outcome. Yeah. Alrighty, We are toss on the three of them right on. And guess what? I have some corn too, you know. I go just dash on the corn them pan it right away too. Roast the corn them, you know. Alright, so we're going to stash on with corn. In the meantime, make it go on roast too, you know. So I eat that. And we don't want the fire too high, you know. Yeah, because we want this, we just smoke. Take it time and just smoke. Yeah. Right about now, guys, you know, say, me just run go inside and leave this and come back out. Yeah? So we're going to just turn him, you know. Get the next side nicely roast. As me say, guys, we don't want too much fire underneath him. Yeah? Because we don't want him to burn up, you know. Just want him to just roast really nice. Nice and easy and smooth. Look at that smoke. All of that smoke. That's what I want it to get. Here would a pop, man. Would a pop. Pop, 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 pop. In back with my pork chops, guys. Fire is blazing, blazing, blazing. Yeah. But I don't think it's ready for turn yet. But let me check it now. See how it look. No, sir. This one get some more. Yeah, man. This not ready yet at all. So we're going to leave this alone. Check the same procedure. Yeah, we're going to leave this alone to get some more roast. So I water that I fight, you know, guys, I drop down in the fire. Yeah, so you soon start see a lot of smoke come up. Yeah. See real smoke there, guys. Real smoke. Smoke up them pot there. Yeah, man. Real Jamaican thing this. Alright, guys, so you don't know, I'm taking you through the journey and through the step. So here I'm now going to dash on some celery. Yeah, I'm going to roast some celery as well. Because our pork is almost finished. So we're going to dash on our celery and that now. Yeah. That get some smoke and roast up as well. Yeah. I eat that, man. Want a whole heap of smoke, you know. Look at that. Yes, guys, so this is finished now. Look at this lovely, nice. Look at that, man. Woo! Yeah, man. So I'm just removing them from the heat. Nice and juicy and tender, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, now we just have to take up the celery same time, you know. I'll just push them aside. Them hot and come back for them. Come back for them on the can. So you chop up this right about now. Alright now, guys, so you know we just have to chop up the pork. Nice to chop him up, man. Dash some pepper on it. And I'm going to eat this. What I'm going to have for my drink with this is a nice cool jelly. Refreshing jelly. But I'm not putting any ice on it, you know. Jelly water. Wash down this nice pork chops here, yeah. So I eat that man. I just chop him up, you know. Properly done. See him now? Succulent. Yeah, man. That a go on an idea, yeah? Alright, so we put that, you know. Well nice. Picture. Yes, so I just dash them in our file paper as usual. Yeah, cause you know, mouth around water. Can't wait to have this roast pork chops here. My mouth itself around water too. But I'm not only eating, guys, but you know, I try to make everybody get a taste and thing, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, so I'm going to just drizzle a little pepper and thing. Don't know you can't eat your pork without the pepper. Alright, guys, so we have a hot scotch bonnet pepper and we have this little sweet and savory, this little nice one, you know. Play with your taste, give you a nice taste. So we just a drizzle a little and all of them and I eat that, man. Yeah, man, we're gonna dive into this here now. Guys, the pork almost finished. Really nice. Pepper, juicy, delicious. Not to mention it can't. I eat it if it can. Couldn't bear put my 95. Refreshing, man, refreshing.